The user requirement specification for the lab ventilation system are considering the requirement, measure the second categorization, the health and safety. So specifically during the design of the lab URS, you should have to be focused on two things. What is our requirement and what the health and safety, and how to be asked to the vendor to give me the equipment appropriately to intended use. So describe the requirement and operating requirement. So what I described, design criteria associated with the product, equipment and personal and requirement. So what exactly the equipment intended design for? The biosafety level to be achieved. What type of biosafety level I'm looking for? And building design philosophy. So you have to be the means if you buy the biosafety cabinet, you should have to be the give the proper measurement. Yes, this area I'm looking for to fit in my equipment. Building construction finishing. So where to be it is fit, because that is a mounted equipment. So where to be fit. Support facility required. So what type of the you should need the electricity, you need these things, you need the air supply, you need this. So these are all these things you need to be thoroughly asked to the vendor. Then second part, cooling and ventilation practices. What the cooling you are looking for, which type of pressure you are looking for, positive or negative, what type of energy consumption, contamination risks, what are the type of contamination you are looking for. The separate area being served by air handling equipment. These are things you should look into it. Then further to more, need a one-throw air handling unit, full fresh air or dedicated exhaust unit. So which type of the air you want to be handle, and what type of the 100% exhaust, or there is something the air changes you want, same air you want to circulate. These are all these things you need to specify, because if you not ask to the vendor, these are all these things URS, they send you the equipment, it will be not fit for our intended use. That will be make us problem and challenges during the installation qualification and operational qualification. And the filter standard, product exposure, and product disposable, and decontamination procedure and facility. So these are all the safety and requirement you should be consideration during the lab ventilation whenever you're asking for. And second, if you're asking for the another type of ventilation system for the manufacturing issue, you may be focused on that. What type of grade, what type of the grade A, grade B, grade C, these are all these things. Here, obviously, the grade A, grade C, you have to be asked if you are intended for the classified area, particularly in this microbiology sections, you should have to be specify the microbiology lab for the grade of the area. Maybe you are intended for the A by B, and sometime you also ask for that. If you are handling cell biology lab, that time grade D area followed by the biosafety cabinet, you should intend to ask. But broadly in the lab, the specification you focus on this thing.